Green bus crash.
I can't see! Help! Help!
Oh my! You turned into a white bus. Please wait. I will take you to TinkerBot Repair Center. Let me check first. First, let's wash off the white paint. Water can't wash it off. Let's try a brush. The white paint still won't come off. Let's paint you green again. The green color is back.
That's great!
It looks like something is stuck in the door gears. Let me check. There is a lot of junk inside. All done. Now let's change the front headlight. Okay, everything is finished.
Wow, so cool! Thank you so much, TinkerBot!
You're welcome.
I should go pick up my passengers now.
Okay, please don't get distracted while driving.
Of course! I will be very careful. Bye-bye, TinkerBot!
Bye-bye. Have a safe trip.
Whoa! Hi!